welcome to more car-related content. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Hello. Now, today we have what is supposedly the biggest car meet of the year. It's advertised as that. If that's true or not, well, we will go and find out. So right now I'm on my way to pick up Charit. If you saw my main channel video of the BMW drive, he was my temporary co-pilot, and then he ditched me to go in an E65 BMW. Whatever, go get him, then we gotta go get the Cayman, and I'm gonna put a Christmas tree on it because I've already put reindeer antlers and a red nose. So why stop there? I got the tree and everything in the back here. And then we will go for the car meet and see if it is supposedly the biggest of the year. Let's see. Okay, sit rep. I picked up Charit and this is what we have so far. I got the reindeer antlers and the little nose. I think that's pretty good. I'm quite pleased with that. Okay, final prep. Let's see how they look. That looks so goofy. You got the nose. 39's already. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're coming up to pick up TikTok god Ajipai. Let's see what he makes of the Christmas themed decor. I haven't seen that car in motion with the wheels. It looks fantastic. I'm so glad I got them.
How do?
I'm about TikTok god. What do you think of my craftsmanship?
Superb, bro.
Oh, where that big crowd is?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Oh
my gosh.
As usual.
Bro. Okay. This car's getting quite the attention.
You don't want to move a bit so you can drive through. So much attention, bro.
They've completely blocked off the 39, bro.
Okay, we can go now.
Okay.
Oh my
god, bro.
This is nuts.
I don't think they're gonna let the 39 in now.
Dude, this is crazy, Marty. What the hell?
Holy shit.
He says the E39 looking like a wow.
Go there to the VIP area.
Yeah.
First day is for you.
Okay,
right?
thank you.
VIP area inside.
Yeah, I guess so. Bloody hell, bro. This car is getting. This is the most attention this car's ever gotten.
Insane. It's also a big event, no?
Yeah.
This is insane.
I can barely see the 39.
Dude, I can't even see how you're gonna reverse into this, dude. This is
No, I can do it.
Other VIP mates, CLK, E34, GTR, some Audi Jeep.
Bloody hell. No. They can't come back yet. Anyways.
So?
Okay.
They want to get it.
So one fat rev for good measure. Poor Charit, where is he gone? He's over there. Have they given you a spot to park?
They told me to come here and park in the corner, but there's no spot.
Bro, that was insane.
Did you, bro? Everyone was blocked. I couldn't move.
I know.
I didn't even see you. That was so
I know.
Pink, I'm sorry. I brought my car. It was still dirty. I didn't have time to clean it. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's getting a decent amount more attention than the 39.
Just pop them back.
What is it? Civic. Frankenstein of an engine. 2 JZ block, 1 JZ head. What a legend. In an E36. I've never experienced that before in my life. Having people surround the car like that. I've never had that before. You were blocked. Do you have videos?
Yeah, no, I took a picture. Like, this was me. No one's looking.
Send me that. That's hilarious. The only as far as I know, the only 3-liter CSL BMW in all of Sri Lanka.
But yours got attention. I have competition. Holy shit! Hi. Look at everyone running to hear the mighty GTR. That's crazy. Best logo ever. I'm gonna get that for my dad's Q7. Casual twin turbo 350Z rolling in. So this is a 2JZ swap CLK. It's not really my thing, but my god, is it so cool. So cool. Twin turbo 350Z. Such a clean 34. Beautiful car. I have a review of this one coming up. Be on the lookout. I forgot to do the most important thing people with sunroofs do. That is tilting. There we go. That's a lot better. There we go. Now doesn't that look so much better? Dudes with sunroofs be like. That's subtle. That's so clean. Beautiful car. I'm ashamed to admit that this tree is a lot. Yo, Streets of Ceylon. Yeah. I'm ashamed that your tree is a lot better than mine.
Oh.
Yeah.
And that tree is a lot better than both ours.
Oh my god! They put us to shame. Super. Where are the lights? You didn't put lights on.
There are lights. Can't see.
I bought those. I went to PETA and I found those like really crappy battery lights. They're bright as hell. You can see them on the road even. It's crazy.
Much better.
Huh?
This is so much better. It was like a branch.
Yeah. Have you seen my tree? It's tiny. It's like a little shrub. It's tiny. It's all I could get. So you know what? Make do with what you have. Bro, that okay, I'm nothing compared to that, man. That's
so funny.
crazy. Well done. That's like
That's a good trade.
and it's white also. That's so cool.
This is a nice car. This is a very valid car. Very nice. Oh, this car has a magnifier exhaust.
Celica. Gonna be a bit hectic. Okay, and of course, quite the crowd has gathered around. Should I give it a rev? I'll give it a small one, maybe. That's enough of that. Goodbye Pinkfest, goodbye E39.
5 hours later.
Okay, sit rep. It is a couple of hours later. I had to go to church, but I'm told that it is still ongoing because apparently this thing finishes at freaking midnight and it is now, what time is it? Almost 8 p.m. So let's see if we have any more shenanigans that is happening here. Seems to still be happening. This place is still packed. What the hell, bro? This thing started at 10. 10 hours of just car meet. Oh. No, I'm not doing that, no. Bro, that car is so loud. What is that? Even with my freaking windows up, I can hear it. It's so loud. What?
That's all I'm doing. What is that? Oh my God.
Mustang!
Oh, fucker. It's so loud.
There's a burnout competition also if you want to do that.
No, I'm good. I'm okay.
They did that inside, I think.
Of course they did. Where else?
I asked Sashit earlier, he's like, I don't know wherever Jeevan sits.
Where else but Lanka? I was wondering what that
Bro,
was.
this is insane.
So it's bro, even with the windows up, my
Insane,
ears are
bro.
popping.
We were behind it all the way in, he was running all.
I came-
the whole corner there, but I think he left.
I came right as this is leaving.
Yeah, bro.
Is this really the there's only two in South Asia?
I don't know about that, that's not here. This has V6, right?
Yeah, 2.9 liter. 2.9 liter V6. Oh my god. My beloved E39 still looking fine. I turned the halo rings on, but the annoying thing is because my LCM is kind of, it needs to be coated. That size marker stays on, that one doesn't. That's fine. BMW things, what can you do? Alright, Pink Fest, goodbye for the second time. Alright. What is that noise? Let's see if Jai is struggling to get out of it. Hey, casual I8. Dude must be struggling to get out of there because I've been here for like 5 minutes already. That's unfortunate. There he is. Lovely E39.